Hey, this is Rich over at TVP Live with another quick tips brought to you by Adobe Photoshop Elements Tutorials Group. And let's jump right into today's poster. I wanted to know how to fix the glare on these glasses. So we're going to zoom in and see how to do that. Normally you can soften up the colors on the edges and darken the eyeball, but in this case we're going to do as another poster had recommended by using this clone tool up here. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to turn the photo to level her eyes. That's going to make it easier to clone and adjust the cloning altogether. So what we want to do is make a new layer up here, and we're going to work our new copy of the eyeball on the layer, the cloned layer. So we'll go back to the original layer. Let's go ahead and go to the clone tool, and we want to pick a large clone that's bigger than the eye, bigger than that. So that's like at 100. Let's do 150 point. See, that looks nice and big. I'm going to hold the Alt button down and click once there, and that will have copied the eyeball. So now I want to go up and choose the new layer, and I could just click on the eyeball anywhere and go ahead and grab the pointer tool, and we want to turn this eyeball around because this is the right eyeball. On the left side it's still the right eyeball, so we want to turn it around. I'm going to go to Image, Rotate, Horizontal. That will give us the opposite side of the eyeball, and it automatically looks more realistic right there. Look at that. Just to make sure, I'm going to lessen the opacity to 50%, and now I can see both eyeballs, the original down there and the new one, and I can just carefully position this to where it looks natural right around there. And now I can bring the opacity right back up. I may not even go 100%. I may bring it down to about 90%. That looks pretty natural right there. The next thing I want to do is take a little bit of the light off of the glare because they look like exact opposite glares, which makes this eyeball look like this one. So I'm going to take the eraser, a small like 10 point, and erase some of this glare. And there we go. We got us a new eyeball that looks a lot less glary than that one. It's in the right position. And all we got to do is right click up here and hit merge down. It's married together. We can bring our whole picture back to the position that we had it before, right around there. And grab our cropping tool and make a new crop. And we got us a finished photo. That's all there is to it for this tutorial. This is Rich calling it quits, saying over and out.